This is Jerry Gonzalez and welcome to my YouTube channel. For those of you my channel for the first time, we are doing budget database project in parallel with the tutorial. You could maximize the benefits of this video if you will also view the preceding tutorials in this channel. Don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will not miss new videos. Should you have other database projects in mind that you want to be done in this tutorial or any idea to improve our channel, please write your comments. Query function is not limited to linking tables and filtering of records. We can also use it to make table, append records from a table to another table, update and delete records. These are called action queries. To start, go to Create, then click Query Design. From this view, you will see from the ribbon the action query toolbars, those with exclamation mark, such as Make Table, Append, Update, and Delete. Let's do first the Make Table query. Double-click TBL Expenses. This is the table that we will use to create a new one. I want the new table to contain all the records within TBL Expenses. Double-click asterisk. Click Make Table Query. And a dialog box will appear asking you for the name of the table that will be created. Type TBL Expenses, Add. Then there are two options at the bottom asking where you want to put your new table, whether in current database or another database. Select the default value, which is the current database. Then click OK. From here we could run this query. Let's try. Click Run. Click Yes. You will notice that there is additional table in navigation pane. This is the TBL Expenses Add. Remember that this is the name that we specify for the new table. Save the query that we have created. Click Save. We will name this query as QRY Expenses Add. Click OK. And close the query. Delete the newly created table by selecting this from the list and press Delete key, then click Yes. We can redo the deleted table by double-clicking QRY Expenses Add Query. Click Yes. Click Yes. There you go, the TBL Expenses Add is now available. This means that every time we double-click QRY Expenses Add, it will create TBL Expenses Add table. Let's move to the next action query. Go to Create menu. Select Query Design. This time we will use Append Query. We will copy a record from one table to another table. This time I want the records from TBL Expenses Add be copied to TBL Expenses. Double-click TBL Expenses Add, then click Close. Click asterisk because I want all the contents of TBL Expenses Add table to be appended. Then select Append. A dialog box will appear asking you the name of the table where you want to append the records. Choose TBL Expenses. Click OK. Then click Save. And name the new query QRY Expenses Append. Click OK. To run this query, double-click its name from navigation pane. Click Yes. Click Yes. Then you will receive a note here. Microsoft Access can append all the records in the append query. This happened because MS Access is not allowing duplicate data in primary key. If you open TBL expenses and also TBL expenses add, you will notice that their IDs are the same because the latter is just an exact copy of the former. In order for us to append the records, we must change the IDs in TBL expenses add. Change it to 4, 5, and 6. Then close the table. Let's try again to run QRY expenses append. Double click, then click Yes, then click Yes. Then refresh. There you go, the records are now appended to TBL expenses table. Close the table. Now we know how to make table and we know how to append records. Now let's see how to update records. Go to Create menu, then click Design Query. We will do Update Query. Double-click TBL expenses. This time I will just select a record. Double-click ID. For criteria, type number 4. This means that I will apply the update only for the record with ID equal to 4. Double-click Particulars. This is the field that I will update. Click Update. For update row, write Maintenance. Then Save. Name it QRY Expenses Update. Click OK, then click Close. Double-click QRY Expenses Update Query. Click Yes. Click Yes. Let's see the result. Open TBL Expenses. You will see the effect to the record with ID equal to 4. The particulars is changed to Maintenance. That is the instruction we set in the query. We already know how to use query to make table. We already know how to append records and update records. Now let's go back to Create menu, then click Query Design. You will see that there is one more action query, and that is Delete Query. I will use again TBL expenses. Double click this table. Then click Close. Double click the asterisk and double click the ID. Then for criteria, write not between 1 and 3. Click Delete toolbar. Then save. Name it QRY Expenses Delete. Then click OK. Then close all the open objects. Double click QRY expenses, delete from navigation pane. Click yes. Click yes. Then let's see the result. Open TBL expenses. You will see that all the records with IDs not within 1 to 3 are deleted. In our next video, we will use these action queries in our expenses form. Don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will not miss new videos in this channel. Thanks for watching.